we are going to dance in standing again, as we did last week. I just moved the chair here in front of you. This is for our strength, for the mobility, for the coordination and balance. So it's a full body practice, actually. We start with the right leg out to the side, with a little bit of bend in our knees. And we have the 4 opening. Then we are adding the arm. Then we have our nice twist. Try to look back. And then other side. Looking back, and then everything is going to be all right. And say this, give this message to your neighbor, everything is going to be all right, okay? And then we have the nobody, don't, and then let's hit the button all together. Let's try. Yes, okay, all together. It's don't, good, and then overthink. Good, and everything is going to be all right. Okay, and then we have the courtesy. This is for our nice leg workout. Side, stretch the leg, you cross back, side, you cross in front, side, and a courtesy. So you cross back again, and you dip down with your legs, strength for your legs. And the other side, back, side, forward, side, back, and bend the knees, dip down, courtesy. Yes. And you come up, then we repeat, and at the end, the third verse is the walking gait. So we have leg back, arm forward, and we change. Forward and back. Not at the diagonal, in front. Yeah, in front. Yes. And then other side. Right. Okay? Okay, let's find a beat. Good. We start with right.
She rattled the ice in my plastic cup. I said yes, ma'am, fill
Other
her
side.
up. Tell me something good.
And
I don't know.
And the arm.
'Cause this world's been kicking my
Little
behind.
push.
Life ain't been a friend of mine. Lately I've been feeling kinda low.
And over the shoulder,
And she
look back.
looked back over her shoulder.
Other side.
Pointed at the sign hanging up on the wall. It say everything's gonna be alright.
Move on your legs.
Everything's gonna be alright.
Nobody.
And nobody's gotta worry about nothing. Don't go hitting that
Hit.
panic button. It ain't worth spilling your drink.
And
Everything's gonna be alright. Alright. Alright.
hands on the chair, courtesy
I
side.
nodded my head and
Back.
said that's for sure.
Side.
Dropped a few butts in the
Front.
mason jar.
Side.
Got those good old neon
Courtesy,
vibes
dip
on
down.
me.
Other side.
And
Right.
whatever monkey that was
Back.
on my back, he
Side.
jumped off just
Front.
like that.
Side.
Right into the
Back
deep
and
blue
dip
sea.
down. And again,
And
look
I
over the
looked
shoulder.
back over her shoulder,
Other side.
thinking about the sun hanging up on the
And
wall. Let's say everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright.
nobody.
Nobody's gotta worry about nothing. Don't go hitting
Hit.
that panic button. It ain't
Yes.
near as bad as you think.
And
Everything's
now.
gonna be alright. Alright. Alright.
We push again the negative energy. Center. And left. And center. And walking gait right side.
There ain't no
8 times.
doubt it's gonna work out. Come
Yes.
on, sing it with me.
And change.
There ain't no doubt it's gonna work
Yes, sir.
out. Come on and sing it with
And
Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright.
and don't. And anybody.
And nobody's gotta worry about nothing. Don't go hitting that
Hit.
panic button.
Yes,
It
sir.
ain't near as bad as you think. Everything's gonna be alright. Alright. Alright.
One more round.
Everything's gonna be alright. Alright. Alright.
And right arm and open to the side. Open, open, open and come back. And change.
Everything's gonna be alright. It's gonna
And
be
back.
alright.
And both
Be
times.
alright.
Yes. Woo. Well done. Whew. And we sit down. Let's sit nice and tall for a moment. Sitting nice and tall. Good. And we close the class with 3 breaths. Circling the arms up. Make yourself long, so resetting the spine, and circle the arms down and cross a little bit and all the way up. Elongating the spine one more time and down and cross. And big breath in, make yourself long. Exhale, hands on your laps. Thank you. Thank you. And let's stretch this attitude in the day ahead. I wish you a wonderful week. Thank you. Thank you.